In today's video, I'm going to show you a couple things that are overlooked during the oil change. Hello everybody, my name is Patrick and this is Dad Life Projects. Today, I'm going to show you how to change an air filter and a cabin filter. Usually when you go to those quick lube places or anything like that, all you're getting is an oil change. I've never been asked when I get it for air filter to be changed, or even my cabin filter. Heck, this is my first car that actually ever had a cabin filter in it that I've owned. So, with that, let me go ahead and let's get this going. Alright, here it is. This is your air box. Goes right into your intake, right there. So, most vehicles are like this, and not hard to find. Both my newer vehicles are pretty much the same. You can't miss it. So, I had the oil changed not too long ago, and usually I do my own oil. But I got behind on it last time. I had somebody else do it the time before this one, and they put it on the oil drain plug with an impact. And I said no, I wasn't gonna get in that mess in case I ruined it. So I took it in again, and I had the oil done, and so hopefully this time it's not as tight. But usually they always ask. Once in a while they'll ask me, so well, do you want a new cabin filter or an air filter? But the prices are so high. This right here, this is the one I usually get. It's the EcoGuard from Amazon, and it's like less than $10. And I usually change it every 9,000 miles when I do the oil, because we use synthetic oil in this. But with that, let me go ahead and show you how to change this out. It's not hard. And you got a couple clips here. You got a clip here. Flip it up. You got another one here. There. And you got another one here. Just like that. And it comes down. And it'll come right up. Usually. There it is. And here's this filter. As you see, it is dirty there. Let me get this other one out and we'll compare them. As you can see, it's a big difference there. So, yeah. And that, take this one, put this back up. Looks pretty clean in there, so it's not too bad. And just fit it right in there. Put the top back on it, make sure it clicks into the back here. It has a little hinge like in the back. There it is. Like that. Down. Alright. Air filter's done. Let's get to work on the cabin filter. Alright, to do a cabin filter, usually they're always in the underneath or behind the glove box. So usually you have to take out one of these sides here. That up, and then you just pop it down. There. Wow. pretty dark in there, but you see the light there, there's a little one right there, a little box up there. All right, get a little bit better lighting on it. Now that this is where the filter goes. It's not too hard to get out of there. Basically, all you're doing is you got a couple tabs right here. Oh, there we go. There we go. Oh, yes. Let's get this out. Oh, wow. Show you the difference. Yeah. You need to change these. I change them all, like I said, at 9,000 miles when I do the oil. It looks like this one might need a little sooner, but yeah, they get really dirty. And again, I use the EcoGuard from Amazon. The ones that come from there, the EcoGuard, some of them you have to put them in a certain way, but this one you can put it in any way you want, and it goes right in. You can put it either, you know, it doesn't matter. It's all the same. So let's go ahead. Just like that. Then there's that one, and there's that. There it is. Simple. And you have no idea how many times you get overlooked. So, alright. All I'll do now is I'll put the glove box in, put everything back in there, and we're done with this job. Alright, as you can see, the filters do get very dirty, and they do need to be changed. You know, a lot of the filters say you can do it between 10 and 15,000 miles. I do mine, like I said, every 9,000 when I do a little change. It's just all, you do it all at the same time, and you don't have to worry about it then. But with that being said, I am sorry that I haven't been working on the car, on the Dodge Dart for a long time. As you can see, my Instagram and Facebook, that I have been getting parts, and I'm getting ready to do some assembly on the brakes, and also start doing work on the front end again, getting all the ball joints and everything put in, everything painted up, cleaned up, and make it ready. I'm still looking for a motor. If anybody out there that's Central California that has a big block Dodge 383 440 and a 727 transmission, hit me up on my Gmail, and that's dadlifeprojects@gmail.com, or hit me on Instagram or Facebook on my Facebook page. With that being said, do follow me on Instagram and Facebook at dadlifeprojects, or email me at dadlifeprojects@gmail.com. Since you're here, why don't you go ahead and check out these two videos right here. Hit the like, share, and for sure the subscribe button down below. And remember, any project you do, you are the project manager. Thank you.